Today's topic is electronic configuration. By the end of this video, you will be able to write the electronic configuration of different elements. Electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus. Remember, electrons are found outside the nucleus of an atom. Electrons found outside the nucleus of an atom revolve round the centrally placed nucleus at certain imaginary paths. These paths are called orbitals or shells and are situated at different distances from the nucleus. This shows the atomic structure of different shells. The first shell is the K shell and is the closest to the nucleus, followed by the L, M, O, and so on. K, being the closest to the neutron, has the lowest energy and contains the least number of electrons, which is 2. K cannot take more than 2 electrons. Now this table shows the principal quantum number of each shell. K shell with the quantum number 1 can be calculated using the 2n squared, that is 2 times 1 squared gives us 2, the number electron of K. L 2 times 2 squared, which is 8 for the L shell, while the M shell has 2 times 3 squared, that's 18, N shell 2 times 4 squared, 32, and these shows symbols of elements, their atoms and shell. Hydrogen having atom 1 as the shell number 1 on the K shell. Helium being number 2 has 2 in its K shell, while lithium having an atomic number 3 has 2 shell in the K shell. Remember, K cannot take more than 2, so the last shell will take the remaining 1 shell in lithium, which is L, followed by nitrogen with atomic number 7 takes 2 and 5, sodium takes 2, 8 and 1. Remember, the L shell cannot take more than 8, so the remaining 1 of sodium has to go to the M shell. Now this is a diagram representation of the shells of atom. This is hydrogen showing its 1 atomic number, and helium showing the 2 balls showing the 2 atomic number of helium. They are both on the K shell, which is the closest to the nucleus. Next is nitrogen. Nitrogen has atomic number 7 and its electronic configuration is 2,5. 2 shell on the K shell, 5 on the L shell. While sodium has 2 on the K shell, 8 on the L shell, and 1 on the M shell. Next is calcium with electronic configuration 2882. K takes the 2, L 8, M 8, and the last shell has the 2. Don't forget to practice more on writing different elements, electronic configuration, and drawing their shell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. The next video is the continuation of electronic configuration 2. So keep a date with us. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe to our channel on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, at TikTok, at The Chemistry Lane. Bye for now.